Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's more relevant than ever in 2025. How to avoid piling up credit card interest and keep more money in your pocket. With rising inflation and potential new regulations, dodging those high interest fees could save you hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars a year. Let's dive right in. First off, the golden rule: always pay your full balance by the due date. Credit cards often come with a grace period of about 21 to 25 days where you won't accrue interest if you clear your statement balance. Miss that window, and you're hit with rates that could soar up to 25% or more in 2025, according to recent financial forecasts. So, set up reminders or automate your payments to stay ahead. Next, take advantage of 0% APR introductory offers. Many cards in 2025 are rolling out longer intro periods, up to 18 months, to attract customers. Transfer your existing balances to one of these cards, but be cautious. Read the fine print to avoid transfer fees and ensure you pay it off before the promo ends. Another smart move is to avoid minimum payments like the plague. While they might seem tempting, they only cover a fraction of your balance, letting interest balloon on the rest. Instead, aim to pay more than the minimum to chip away at the principal quickly. Don't forget to track your spending with apps or budgeting tools. In 2025, new AI-powered features on many banking apps can help you monitor transactions in real time, preventing overspending that leads to interest charges. And steer clear of cash advances. They're interest-free traps with immediate fees and high rates. Lastly, stay informed about 2025's upcoming changes. Some countries are implementing caps on credit card interest rates, so check if your region is affected and adjust your strategy accordingly. By being proactive, you can avoid unnecessary costs and build better financial habits. There you have it. Simple steps to keep credit card interest at bay. Implement these tips, and you'll be in a stronger financial position in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving advice, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.